Good morning, children. Jayadash here. Today we will do exercise 11.3, question number 5 from the concept of perimeter and area. From a circular sheet of radius 4 centimeter, a circle of radius 3 centimeter is removed. That means from the circular sheet, say it is a circular sheet of radius 4 centimeter. Say it is the radius of this one be 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. From here, a small circle with same center 3 centimeter. A small circle of radius 3 centimeter is cut off. You have to find the area of the remaining sheet. Understood? That means if you remove this portion, then if you take the area of the circle with radius 3 centimeter, then you have to find the area of the remaining sheet. Area of the remaining portion of the circle, that is, it is a ring. From the circular sheet of radius 4 centimeter, that means you have to find, first of all, you have to find the full area of the circle. You have to find the full area of the circle, then area of the small circle. Then you have to subtract to find the remaining portion of the circle. Understood? Now, for the bigger circle, radius 4 centimeter, therefore area is equal to pi into 4 square centimeter square, that is 4 4 just 16 pi centimeter square, and area of the smaller circle whose radius is smaller circle radius is equal to 3 centimeter pi into 3 square centimeter square equal to 3 3 is a 9 pi centimeter square. Therefore, area of the remaining portion, when you remove this area of the remaining portion, therefore area of the remaining portion equal to pi 16 pi minus 9 pi centimeter square. Now 16 pi and 9 pi, as the variables are same, so 16 minus 9, it is 7 pi centimeter square. Put the value of pi, 7 into value of pi is given here 3.14 centimeter square. That is, if you multiply it, you will get 21.98 centimeter square. Understood? Come to the next sum. Next sum is question number 6. Shaima wants to put a lace on the edge of a circular table cover of diameter 1.5 meter. And the circular table cover whose diameter is given 1.5 meter. The circular tabletop, she wants to put lace on the edge of the circular tablecloth, means she needs to find the perimeter or the circumference of the circle. So circular tabletop cover of diameter 1.5 meter. Find the length of the lace required and also find the cost. If 1 meter of the lace cost rupees 15. This is the second part. First you have to find the length of the lace required. To find the length of the lace, you have to find the radius of the circle. So the radius of the circle is given diameter equal to 1.5 meter. Therefore radius 1.5 by 2 meter. Remove the decimal point 15 by for this decimal point you can take one places of, it is 10th place of decimal, so 20, 2 into 10, 20 meter. Now you have to find the circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle, because she is putting the lace on the boundary. Circumference of the circle 2 pi r, that is 2 into 3.14 into 15 by 20 meter. To remove this decimal also 314 by 100, because after decimal 2 places are there. 15 by 20 meter. Cancel it. 10. You have to multiply 314 into 15 by 1000 meter. Then you will get the value. If you multiply this, you will get 4710. Do this multiplication in a rough work. 4710 by 1000 meter. 0 cancel. That means 4.71 meter is the circumference of the tablecloth. Now cost of the lace. Cost of the lace. Find the cost of the lace at the rate of rupees 15. So 4.71 rupees 4.71 into 15, and you will get the value equal to 70.65 rupees. Now the required length of the lace will be 4.71 meter. This is your first answer of the question and this is the second answer. Understood? Come to the next sum. Question number 7. Find the perimeter of the adjoining figure which is a semicircle. Semicircle means half circle. Semicircle including its diameter. That means you have to find the circumference of this figure. When you are finding the circumference of this figure, that means this portion, that is half of the perimeter, half of the circumference of a circle. Along with it, you have to add this also. This diameter also you have to add. Otherwise, the complete boundary you will not get. So if you start from here, that is 10 plus pi r. Circumference of a circle 2 pi r. Circumference of a circle equal to 2 pi r. Circumference, half of the circumference means circumference by 2. That is 2 pi r by 2. 2 cancel. So circumference semicircle, circumference of a semicircle means the bending portion is only pi r. Understood? Now find the perimeter of the adjoining figure. Radius of the circle. Solution. Radius of the circle, diameter is given 10 centimeter. Therefore radius 10 by 2 centimeter, that is 5 centimeter. Therefore circumference of the semicircle equal to pi r. Value of pi is given, pi is not given, so you can use 22 by 7 and radius r is equal to 5 centimeter. So 110 by 7 centimeter. Now the total perimeter of the adjoining figure, therefore perimeter of the adjoining figure equal to semicircle 110 by 7 plus this 110 by 7 is up to here, and then plus 10 centimeter. Do the LCM. 7 110 plus 17 is 70 centimeter. Now 180 by 7 centimeter. If you divide this 180 by 7 centimeter, then you will get 7 2s are 14, 4 0, 7 5s are 35, 5. You can't divide, so take a point. 0, 7 7s are 49, 1. For that point you can take 0 again. 7 1s are 7. In this way it will not complete it, so it will be continue only. So leave it here. After decimal 2 places is enough. Now the perimeter, therefore required perimeter or perimeter of the figure adjoining figure equal to 25.71 centimeter. Understood? I hope these three sums, whatever we have explained here, is clear for you. Watch the video 2 to 3 times and then try to solve the sum. Thank you, students.